fish. There's a fish. Oh my gosh. There's a fish. Oh, that thing is heavy. Wow, he's hammering hard though. Might be a sheep's head. Oh my gosh. Boy, that's a lot of weight.
Let's go!
All right, well, we're day 2 of trying to catch walleye. We have moved to Vermilion, and this lake is a sheet of glass. This is so incredible. Makes it really nice for kayaking. Tell you what else would make it nice is a motor. All of you Old Town guys with the motor drive, your autopilot and spot lock 360. Yeah. Boy, that'd make it a little nice for this. So stop back at Bad Boys. And I bought 2 new Bandits, and I got them with a bigger spoon. These Bandits will dive 27 feet on their own. I think a big part of my problem yesterday was I just couldn't get down far enough. I didn't have enough line or enough weight to get those things to dive. So I got these Bandits today with a bigger spoon, and I'm pretty excited about them. They dive 27 feet on their own, and I've got, I think they're called fish jump, maybe you saw it. I've got drop shot sinkers that you can clip on the line and pull it on down the rest of the way. So super excited to try these new Bandits from Bad Boys Bait and Tackle in Vermilion. And we're going to pedal out here a couple miles, and we're going to go after some fish. As soon as I hit at least 27 feet of water, I'm throwing Bandits out. So you guys hang in there, and we'll see you up here where we're fishing. All right, we're 28.5 feet of water. We're not where we're headed yet, but we're just going to troll out there, because if we can pick up fish here, there's no need in going that far out on the water. So here we go. We're marking fish, so there's a good chance that we're going to be able to maybe pick up a fish on our way out here. We'll slow it down a little bit to a nice easy pace. I was pedaling about 4.5 miles an hour, so we're going to try to slow it down a little bit. Oh, I got that on the wrong side. So I like this pole on this side because it's got the shorter butt handle and it don't hit me. Here goes the pack of boats out. They're all running out. Look at that. We're not the latest ones out, I'll tell you that. We're definitely the slowest moving ones out here right now. There's a fish. There's a fish. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Oh, we got a hit already. Oh my goodness. Did you see that? Maybe we're hitting bottom. That could be hitting bottom. It came up to 27 feet. I'll grab that and see what that is. Yeah, I don't know about that. That could have been a white bass hitting that or something. White perch maybe. Could have been a yellow perch, who knows? We are moving pretty fast though. I think that's bottom on that one. Let's see. Doing 2.5 miles an hour. We probably don't want to do that. Yeah, that's kind of hitting bottom there. Pull that up a little bit. All right, we're fishing. We're confident, we're fishing. I feel like we're gonna have a good day. This lake is beautiful. It's a sheet of glass out here. I need to kick these forward. Shortens my reach. Causes me to not pedal so fast. Keeps us just under 2 miles an hour for the most part. So we're getting into almost 40 feet of water now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tip this Bandit with a worm, and then I'm gonna add a snap weight to it. One thing we don't want to do is drop our weight down in the lake, because I did that yesterday. I lost a weight. The thing about these sinkers is they don't float. So by knowing that, it makes you a little more reluctant to hang them over the side when you have greasy fingers like I do. All right, now we'll go maybe about that far, and then we're going to add our snap weight to it. Okay, so we added that snap weight, and now we're just going to drop it, and that'll go down and get it to the bottom. See where we're at right there. Well, don't look like this guy's gonna alter course, so we'll just snoop in behind him, I guess. Be our best bet. There's a fish. There's a fish. Oh my gosh. There's a fish. Oh, that thing's heavy. My God, is that heavy. Alright, we got us a fish. We might have to just maybe hold off on pedaling a little bit. Wow, he's hammering hard though. It might be a sheep's head. Oh my goodness. Wow. might have got on. Nope, he's still on there. He's still hammering. Oh my gosh. Boy, that's a lot of weight. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Well, he's running hard. Uh-oh. We got the other line too. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it's a walleye. Oh my goodness, and we're tangled. Oh my gosh. We got a walleye and we got tangled. Yeah. These stupid flies. Let's check our surroundings, make sure. All right. That's what we came here for. Lake Erie walleye. Had to deviate our course a little bit. These guys, there's 4, 5, 6 guys on a boat, and they can't keep their heading. They tend to struggle. They all get excited watching a rod go down, and then the boat starts to turn. And we had a really good transaction gonna happen, but they got to veering off, so we had to go around them because they were approaching me from the right side, which gives them the right of way. A good way to remember this, if you don't know, is when you're looking at a boat and they have a red light on the left and a green light on the right. If you're approaching a boat and you see their red light, that means you have to stop. You have to give them the right of way. If you see their green light, they have to give you the right of way. I don't care if you're a kayak, a motorboat, or what. Sailboats always have the right of way over anything. If they're under sail, if they're under power, then they have to play by the same rules. And I would technically right now be considered under power. So not like underpowered, but I have a motor, so to speak. So I have to yield to the same boating laws and regulations that everyone else does. So there's your little boating lesson if you didn't know that about boating. A lot of guys, they get on these reservoirs and these inland lakes and things, and they don't have a clue in the world about boating laws. In fact, most of them are probably not qualified or licensed to operate a boat, motorboat. So it's just something to learn. If you're not educated in it, you need to get educated. Oh, come on, baby. Yeah. Fish on. Uh-oh. Did he get off? Oh, he got off. No, he didn't. Saw the boat though. He knows it's good. It's getting over for him. Yeah, here's a little walleye. Oh no, you're too small. Well, we don't know if he's too small yet. We'll see. At least he's in the net. So we got that going for us. All right. Let's see what we have here. Ow. Oh. Well, say goodbye to Mr. Walleye. He's 15.5 inches. Well, go tell your grandparents to bite this thing. Got him. Here comes my weight. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Feels like he got off. Nope, he's on there. Must have been coming my way. I just got a glimpse of something. What we got? I see gold. Oh yeah. Man, these are just little ones. What'd we get into over here? That's not very exciting, is it? Dang, we want the big keepers. What is this? Little guy. Hi, welcome to the Hobie Pro Angler 14. Thanks for biting. Let's do this while you're on the hook. Let's see. Yeah, you're 18 inches, but man alive are you. Just a little fella. I like the big ones. I like the big 30-inch fish. I like what they call a fish Ohio. But desperate times call for desperate measures, and all you southern guys fishing those ponds in Tennessee, you'd probably love to catch one of these, wouldn't you? Look at the black on that. Look at the, I don't know if you can see his fin back here. Look at that. Sorry I didn't show you the other fish, but let's double check him and make sure we're not gonna get into some. No, he's over 16 with my hand under him and his mouth open. He tried to bite that. Did you see it? These things are aggressive little fish, I'll tell you. All right, go in there under your family member. What they don't realize is sitting on top of my cooler right now is a walleye sandwich. So, that's how we like to do it. All right, while we have this in, we're gonna tip this with a worm. Before I forget, don't let me forget. It's up to you guys to remind me to do this. But, golly, these worms are so small. Superior Canadian night crawlers. Listen, since Trudeau took their guns, everything's shriveled up there. their worms have gotten smaller. Just saying. Now y'all keep an eye on that rod right there. If it goes down, you let me know. We don't want to miss a fish, even if they are just 18 inches. The limit right now, or the limit here, is 16 inches. So they have to be at least 16 inches to keep. That little fella that we just put in there, he's 18 inches. Let's get this puppy trolling. Way too fast. 2 miles an hour, not 3. Need you to throttle it back a little bit. There's Captain excited. So do we have 2 fish or 3 fish in the cooler? Oh, kind of pitiful, isn't it? We got a deuce in the cooler.